in the 80s, we had several women imprisoned in Karchalle. This was Samuel, no, not Tsehay Tolessa, and Martha Kumsa. And Martha Kumsa used that time in prison to write a new Oromo grammar, when you started with the Latin Fidel. And it was very difficult to get them out. And so one by one, when I visited them, she put them in my borsa, and I brought it out, because they did not check what we took out of the prison, they only checked what we took into the prison. So at that time it was difficult to send it by mail to Germany, so what to do? I had in between quite a lot of collected, and then I asked the German embassy whether we could use their mail to Germany. It was safe. So I sent by German embassy mail to Tasgara this new grammar of Oromo in Latin Fidel. Yes. This is one story of my visiting in prison in Karchalle.